Oh, the mushroom! Yay! Can I have the mangosteen? Mangosteen, mangosteen. Where is my mangosteen? Mangosteen, mangosteen. In the basket! Can I have the mango? Can I have the mango? Oh, the mango in the basket. Can I have the rambutan? Rambutan. Oh, very good. Rambutan in the basket. Can I have the apple? Apple, apple, apple. Very nice. Can I have the tomato? Oh, tomato. Can I have corn? Can I have corn? Corn. Corn! Yes! Eat the teacher! Can I have that papaya? Eat the teacher! Can I have a lime? Lime! Lime! Oh! Can I have the rose apple? Rose apple! Yeah! In that basket? Did the teacher? Did you eat my apple? Oh! Don't eat the teacher's fruit, please. Can I have 3 strawberries? 1, 2, 3 strawberries! Get in there! 3 strawberries! Oh, and we got the fruit in the basket, everybody. Fruit in the basket. Now we have